10 most beautiful birds in the world. Hyacinth macaw. The hyacinth macaw's feathers are entirely blue, however, the neck feathers can sometimes be slightly gray. The ring around the parrot's eyes and the area just underneath the beak is a strong, vibrant yellow color. Wood duck. The adult male wood duck is a medium-sized perching duck that has multicolored, iridescent plumage and red eyes with a distinctive white flare down the neck. The females are less colorful and have a white eye ring and a whitish throat. Scarlet macaw. The scarlet macaw is a large yellow, red and blue parrot that is native to the evergreen forests of the Americas. Its color combination makes it one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Blue jay. The blue jay is a beautiful bird that is found in Newfoundland, Canada. It has a dominant blue color with a white chest and underparts and a blue crest. It also has a black U-shaped collar around its neck and a black border behind the crest. Bohemian waxwing. The Bohemian waxwing consists of mainly buff gray plumage, black face markings and a pointed crest. Its wings are patterned with white and yellow colors, sometimes red. Flamingo. Young flamingos offspring hatch with grayish-red plumage, but adults range from light pink to bright red, making flamingos one of the most distinguishable creatures in the world. Golden pheasant. The golden pheasant, known as the Chinese pheasant, is a bird native to the forests in western China. The golden pheasant has a golden yellow crest with a hint of red at the tip. The face, throat, chin and the sides of the neck are rusty tan. Keel-billed toucan. The keel-billed toucan is known for having a unique colorful bill which alone makes the bird one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Peacock. The Indian peacock has an iridescent blue and green-blue plumage, mostly metal-like blue and green. The peacock feather colors make the species one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Atlantic puffin. The Atlantic puffin is a species of seabird native to the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic puffin feeds on zooplankton, small fishes and crabs.